Hey guys, I got a Maytag Maxima. I kept getting two codes on here, E01 and F03, I think, and F09. Some weird codes. I looked it up. I looked up on YouTube. There was a lot of people saying, you know what, just change the pipe. There's something wrong with this pipe. But I tried all that stuff, didn't work. We ordered a new pump for it. I got a new pump off of Amazon. This is the old pump, and that's the new pump. It's the same one. I took it out already. It was actually right there. Now you can see that pump is gone. This is where I'm going to put that pump in again. It takes 4 screws. It's not very difficult, but it's a bit hard to reach. So I'm going to put this pump back in and I'll let you know if it works. But that's what it kind of looks like from underneath.